बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम पिछले एक दिन से या एक दो दिनों से आपका एक टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का। वो है द टेम्पेस्ट सेकंड। इसका हमने पहला जो सीन है वो कल पढ़ लिया था, कल डिस्कस किया था। आज हम इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट सीन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Prospero set him the task of piling up heavy logs. Miranda stole out of her room to see him work, and her presence made his labor seem light to him. So, my dear students, when Prospero uh, told Ferdinand that you are the spy, basically he was trying to test him whether he would love his daughter or not. So, what was the test? Prospero set him the task of piling up heavy logs. The test was he told Ferdinand that you have to pile up, you have to heap. यानी आपको जमा करने हैं, gather. Pile up means gather also. You have to gather heavy logs. यानी आपको ये बड़े बड़े लकड़ी के जो ये फटे हैं, logs हैं, ये आपको जमा करने हैं. That was the task. Prospero set him the task of piling up of heavy logs. Pile up means gather, जमा करना. Heavy means बारीक, logs हो गई लकड़ी. बड़े बड़े लकड़ जो है ये आपको जमा करनी है. Miranda stole out of her room to see him work, and when Ferdinand started his work, Miranda, the daughter of Prospero, who was loving Ferdinand very much, he came out of her room secretly. Stole out means छुप छुप कर निकलना. She came out of her room secretly to see Ferdinand working, and her presence made his labor seem light to him. And to see Miranda from a distance, this made the work of Ferdinand very easy. यानी उसको देखकर वो काम जब कर रहा था उसको वो ये काम जो है बहुत ही आसान लग रहा था. Alas, sir, she said, please sit down and rest a little. Miranda told Ferdinand, I am very much sorry, sir, for that. You are doing a very hard work, but please sit down for some time. मेहरबानी करके थोड़ा देर आराम कीजिए. I will carry your logs in the meantime. The girl told him that she will carry out. She will do the business. She will do the task of piling up of heavy logs, and meanwhile he should rest. आप थोड़ा रेस्ट कीजिए, मैं तब तक ये काम करती हूँ. I quite like it. Ferdinand told her he liked it. He liked the task. He liked the work. Let me carry the logs. He told her, don't disturb. Let me carry the logs. मैं तो खुद चलिए, मुझे आप ये जमा करने दीजिए. My father is at his studies, safely out of our way for the next 3 hours. So this is actually Miranda telling him that he wanted to do the task. He wanted to carry out this piling up of heavy logs because she told him that her father is busy in his work. He is studying and he would not come out for 3 hours. यानी 3 घंटों तक वो बाहर नहीं आएगा. वो स्टडी कर रहा है, पढ़ रहा है. लिहाजा मीनवाइल वो क्या है, ये काम मैं करती हूँ. In fact, Prospero was all the time standing at a distance. But basically, Prospero was watching the two young people who were talking with each other. फ्रॉम ए डिस्टेंस, बहुत दूर से वो देख रहा था, watching his daughter with amusement and sympathy. He was watching his daughter that she's very much kind. She's having sympathy with Ferdinand, and she is amused also. She's surprised also. No, my precious creature, replied Ferdinand. I cannot let you do that. Prospero, after listening the loving words from Miranda, he told her, "No, my precious creature, you are my valuable creature." अब ओ मेरी कीमती जान, ओ मेरी कीमती चीज़, replied Prospero, answered Ferdinand. I cannot let you do that. He can't let her to do uh, the task to pile up that to gather these heavy logs. मैं आपको ये करने नहीं दूंगा. Of course, this love talk did not help the work of piling up logs, but Ferdinand managed to uh, tell Miranda how he loved her better than anyone else he had ever seen. Though this love talk between the two young uh, couple, it would not help the Ferdinand in piling up of these heavy logs, but Ferdinand managed to tell Ferdinand, but Ferdinand basically was telling Miranda how he loved her more than anything in the world he had seen in the world. यानी वो इसको कहने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि मैं आपको दुनिया की किसी भी चीज़ से ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ. As for Miranda, she could not imagine a person whom she could love more. So as far Miranda is concerned, she was loving Ferdinand very much, and she couldn't think of any other person whom she could love. Prospero decided not to try Ferdinand further and soon released him for his hard task. So after that, after seeing the sympathy of his daughter and the task, the approach of the Ferdinand, Prospero decided not to test him further. अब वो उसने फैसला ले लिया कि अब मुझे इसको ज़्यादा टेस्ट लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं. एंड सोन ही रिलीज्ड हिम फ्रॉम हिज हार्ड टास्क. दिस वाज बेसिकली अ हार्ड टास्क एंड ही रिलीज्ड हिम. उसके बाद उसने उसको आज़ाद कर दिया. द ट्रायल्स यू हैव अंडरगॉन वेर ए टेस्ट ऑफ योर लव, सेड Prospero. Now after that, Prospero told Ferdinand that the tests which you have undergone, through which you have gone, these were the tests of your love. Basically, I tried to test you whether you would love his daughter or not. To the great joy and surprise of Ferdinand, as your reward, I give you my daughter, who is my most precious possession. And after that, he told Prospero, this Ferdinand, that to your surprise, आपकी हैरानगी के लिए आपको मैं क्या करता हूँ, he wanted to give him his daughter as a reward. मैं आपको अपनी बच्ची इनाम में देता. I give you my daughter as a reward, and this good daughter is a most precious, most valuable possession of Prospero. ये मेरी सबसे बड़ी दौलत है, मैं आपको ये इनाम में देता हूँ. My blessings are with you both, and my blessings are with you means my blessings, Prospero's blessings are with Ferdinand and Miranda. In the meantime, the king of Naples, Antonio Gonzalo, who was in the king's party, and others were wandering about on the island. दरियासना क्या होता है, जो इसका दुश्मन था किंग ऑफ नेपल्स एंटोनियो, या उसका भाई था एंटोनियो गंजालो, जो उसका वो वफादार आदमी था, द ओल्ड लॉर्ड, and others who were in the king's party, they were roaming about, they were moving here and there on the island, tired out and hungry. They were tired out, very much tired, बहुत ही थके हुए थे, and they were hungry also, and वो भूखे भी थे. They sat down to rest, and they sat down on the earth for some time to take a rest. उन्होंने सोचा कि अब हम थोड़ा सा आराम करेंगे. Ariel put inviting food before them, but when they tried to eat it, it disappeared suddenly. And Ariel put some food inviting food, very delicious food before them. But when they were about to eat that food, and the food suddenly disappeared, and डिसअपियर मीन्स गायब हो जाना। उन्होंने पहले उसने उनके सामने खाना रखा, अच्छा खाना रखा। वो जब ही वो खाना चाहते थे तो जो ही वो खाना चाहते थे तो वो पूरा खाना जो है एरियल ने डिसअपियर कर दिया, गायब कर दिया। Ariel appeared to them with thunder and lightning. After that, Ariel appeared before them with thunder and lightning. यानी गरजने की आवाज़ें और लाइटनिंग की आवाज़ों के साथ साथ वो उनके सामने नमूदार हो गए। While they stood amazed at the sight, he said to Antonio and the king. After seeing this situation, the thundering and lightning, they were amazed, they were astonished, they were surprised after seeing the situation. And meanwhile, Ariel appeared before them, and he told Antonio and the king, "You are two men guilty before God and man. You are the guilty persons." आप तो आप दो आदमी जो है, आप गिल्टी है, आप क्या है, गुनहगार हैं बिफोर गॉड एंड देम, बिफोर गॉड एंड मैन। आप गुनहगार, खुदा के सामने भी गुनहगार हैं और इस आदमी के सामने भी गुनहगार है। थिंक ऑफ योर इविल डीड्स, वी हैव टू थिंक। आप अपनी शैतानी कामों को याद कीजिए जो आपने किए थे। रिमेंबर हाउ क्रूअली यू ट्रीटेड प्रॉस्पेरो एंड हिज इनोसेंट चाइल्ड। रिमेंबर that moment when you treated Prospero and his daughter very cruelly. You put the Prospero and his precious daughter into a damaged ship so that he will perish in the sea. Remember that situation. Remember that moment. It was a terrible crime. It was a very horrible crime. एक बहुत ही बड़ा जुर्म था. All that you have undergone is God's punishment for your crimes. And today you are experiencing a very bad situation. Basically, this is the punishment of God for your bad deeds, for your crimes. ये जो आज आप कर रहे हैं, आपको खुदा की तरफ से आपको क्या है, ये सज़ा है। आपको अपने अपने गुनाहों की आपको ये सज़ा है। इफ़ यू डू नॉट सिंसियरली रिपेंट, इफ़ यू डोंट फील सॉरी फॉर दैट, इफ़ यू डोंट रिपेंट, अगर आप तौबा नहीं करोगे फ्रॉम योर इविल डीड्स, there is worse in store for you, and there is a bad situations for you in the store. You would experience more bad situations in the coming time. Then Ariel disappeared in thunder and lightning, and after that he disappeared, वो गायब हो गया thundering and lightning के साथ, leaving the almost made, and he left this Antonio and Gonzalo and this the king of Naples. They were feeling madness, वो पागल जैसे हो गए, with fear, खौफ से, and their sense of guilt, and they also have the sense of guilt, यानी उनको वो अपना जुर्म भी याद आ गया और वो डर भी रहे थे। तो इस तरह से जो है सेकंड सीन ख़त्म हो जाता है। अब उनको आपस में क्या हो जाती है, मतलब उनको एहसास हो जाता है कि हमने वाकई प्रॉस्पेरो के साथ गलत किया है। एंड एक तरफ से फर्डिनांड जो है, भतीजा जो होता है प्रॉस्पेरो का, फर्डिनांड और मिरांडा उसकी अपनी बेटी है, उनको आपस में मेल मिलाप हो जाता है, उन्होंने उनकी शादी करवाना चाहता है। तो दूसरी तरफ जो है एंटोनियो और उसके जो दूसरे दुश्मन थे, उनको मतलब एहसास हो जाता है कि हमने गलत किया। उनको याद दिलाता है एरियल कि किस तरह अपने प्रॉस्पेरो के साथ वो जुल्म किया था, उसको डैमेज्ड शिप में भरकर। आपने सोचा था कि शायद ये मर जाएगा तो हम जो है उसकी दौलत और उसकी जो बादशाही है वो उसको हड़प करेंगे। तो ये हमने सेकंड सीन ख़त्म किया आज। तो इंशाल्लाह कल हम थर्ड सीन भी पढ़ेंगे। तो इसके कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स मैंने यहाँ पर भी लिखे हैं। पाइल अप मीन्स जो है हीप करना या गैदर करना। स्टील आउट, कम आउट स्ट्रिक्टली। सिंपैथी, पिटी, प्रीशियस, वैल्यूएबल। ट्रायल्स मीन्स टेस्ट्स। undergo means go through an experience. Wandering about means roaming, moving here and there. Guilty means feeling guilt. And So I think you might have enjoyed the topic, you might have enjoyed the today's class. And if you feel any kind of अगर आपको लगता है कि कहीं पर आपको समझ नहीं आता है, आप इनबॉक्स कीजिए, तो हम आपको इसमें आप रिप्लाई कीजिए, तो हम आपको फिर से समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।